Hello everyone, this is Cody from basecamptrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video here going over ABBV or ABBV. Looking at the weekly chart here, we are currently triggering a bear flag below last week's low, and we're hitting the 38.2% retracement zone. So roughly 201.39. So if we get a break below 200 and momentum keeps dropping lower, I think we might come down to the 187.89 level, 188 area. That'd be my target. So we're looking for this kind of move down here. That's what I'm watching for next week or even this week if we keep selling off. So keep an eye below 201.39 to see if we get more follow through. There's a decent trade to the downside, and I wanted to show you guys here on a quick video. If you like these kinds of trades, feel free to check out our trading room. We do offer a $7 month trial. So you can get access to that if you email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.